What's a computer? Sorry, Eduardo, we have to cut you off. Dear Eduardo, do you have a computer?
Wait, may you repeat the question?
Do you have a computer?
Okay, that's a stupid question, cause how would I be making these videos? No duh, I have a computer. How would I be uploading them? No duh. Who the hell asked this question? The question that asked this must be retarded. I want to know who asked this question. Was it you?
Maybe.
Why would you ask that question? It's a stupid question. So, why are you so stupid person? Can't you think? Blah 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 blah.
Okay, I'll go get some beer.
He said, no, don't even have a computer.
We have no beer.
Aww. Hey, Jordy, why would you ask the question if you even make the videos with me? Don't I have a computer?
What?
Don't I have a computer? What? Don't I have a computer?
Why are you asking about marshmallow?
I'm not asking about a marshmallow. Oh my god, Jordan, sometimes you're so stupid.
When there's something strange in your neighborhood, who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Oh my god, Jordy. I feel sometimes I have an idiot on my hands. Shut up! So Jordy, who asked this question, must be super retarded because he's also annoying. Well, if you can't beat him, well, you have to join him. Wait, what the hell am I doing? No, this is retarded. This is stupid. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Neg neg neg. Neg neg neg. Neg neg neg. You should talk to me, sure. They're like a good boy.
I don't want to have my cheek taken.
Well, you have to. It's my rules.
What?
It's my rules.
What?
Sometimes you're an idiot.
I'm a idiot?
You're an idiot.
What's an idiot?
A retarded person.
That's retarded.
Stupid.
That's stupid.
And mental illness.
What's a mental illness?
You son of a bitch. Sometimes you're just an idiot. Don't you ever think that, you stupid asshole? Go back to watching SpongeBob.
I love SpongeBob.
SpongeBob is gay with Patrick.
I love SpongeBob.